Hello, and welcome back to my channel, All Things Jessica Marie. I am Jessica Marie, and we are going to get into making some wellness shots today. The better half knows it, and I quote, ginger shots are the shit. As more and more information is uncovered about ginger and its multiple health benefits, it is quickly becoming a healthy diet staple. These homemade ginger shots contain a variety of healthy ingredients and have no sugar added. Ginger shots are easy to make and store in your fridge or freezer into ice cubes and use later. How freaking convenient. Hello to all my meal preppers out there. You've got to get on this hustle. Excited to share them with you. I have literally been on a kick. If you had seen last week's video, I am obsessed ever since Shelby's bachelorette party in Collingwood. It is what, like September, what day are we here? Like far into September. It's been over a month of me enjoying these wellness shots. And Ulysses, I have got him on this kick too. What a staple in your life. I am excited to share with you the recipe that we have been feeling is tried and true in our household. Not needing to change it up. It is doing so many good things for us. Loving all the health benefits. And it just feels good getting into another routine that's actually enjoyable together. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, here we freaking go. I had just got this recipe off of Pinterest, so I did not make this myself. It is tried and true from other people on Pinterest as well. So thank you so much to thebutterhalf.com for getting this recipe out on Pinterest for me to find, making my life a million times easier and checking those good things off the box. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have 3 lemons juiced, a half a cup of ginger root cut into small pieces with the peel on. Guys, I have tried this, doing a bigger chunk to save time, or so I thought, and it actually probably worked out to be the same, if not more time, by not actually chopping it. So make sure you chop it, otherwise it is really tough to get through that juicer. 1 orange peeled, and an 8 teaspoon, you guys, of ground cayenne pepper. You're also going to do a half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey. You can also dilute it a little bit if you choose to with a half a cup of water. We are not going to do that. We are going hard. We are going the full throttle, pedal to the damn metal, no brakes, no training wheels, nothing. Let's frickin' do this, you guys. The recipe calls for peeled, but since we're juicing, I'm gonna go ahead and just do with the peel on. Do not forget this part, you guys. I have done that before and it was a disaster. Now the butter half actually is using a blender to make these ginger shots, so don't feel like you are missing out if you do not have a juicer. Do not stress about going to purchase one. However, we do love ours. It is the Hamilton Beach brand that you can actually find on Amazon. I will link it up for you in the description below. We just friggin' love ours. It is a little bit tough to clean, I will say that for sure, especially with all the peels going in there, all the roots, all that, seeds and all that stuff that it is catching through. So you're gonna wanna do that as soon as you are finished juicing your items. I actually also will pull my blender out to add in the cayenne pepper, the turmeric, and the honey to blend it all together before I pop it into our bottles that will then go into the fridge. Definitely check the link out below. I am going to have the Butter Half blog post linked below for easy access for you guys to check it out yourselves and make it without having to comb through this video as well. My favorite part about these are the meal prep situation. We have not done the ice cubes, but we definitely have done our glass airtight containers just from the Dollarama for 3 to 5 days they are lasting. So give it a good shake before you take your shot in the morning and you are freaking good to go for essentially an entire collection of weekdays to start your mornings. Well guys, here we have it. Oh my goodness. I love juicing. I have really noticed myself actually cooking and being in the kitchen in general these days. I'm really noticing that I'm enjoying the aromas of different things, fresh fruit, fresh food, all of these good herbs, all these delicious things that just add to the experience of cooking. I feel like, who am I these days? Who am I? Anyway, cheers to this week. I hope you all had a fantastic one. Whether you're shooting some wellness shots with me or doing something a little different and getting a little wild this weekend, I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you back here next week. Same time, same place, Friday night at 8 p.m. Make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. To next week, you guys.